which leaves Jack with the path that leads to the right. And this path is very, very windy. And it actually goes into the forest. The dark, dark forest. And Jack has absolutely no idea where to go next. But he wants to make his father better, so he carries on walking until it gets night and dark and he's completely lost. And he sees a light. And he goes towards the light. And there he sees a tiny little cottage. He knocks on the door. And hears a voice saying, "Come in."
Hello, Jack says when he went in the cottage. My name's Jack and I'm looking for the golden apple. Because I'm going to save my
father. And in the cottage is this tiny old man. And the old man says, "Oh, come in, I'm going to give you something to eat."
Oh, Jack sits down and he's really hungry and he's given a bowl of... Well, that would have been nice, but it wasn't. It was stew. It was ew stew. It wasn't very nice at all. It was... Oh, God, it stank. And it was a bit grey. And it had greasy bits in it and lumpy bits in it, but there was nothing else on offer, so Jack ate and ate and ate and ate and ate. And there was some very rubbery bits in there, and he had to chew and chew and chew and chew them before he was able to swallow. But he finished it all up nevertheless and said, "Thank you very much," to the old man.
"And now you must sleep," said the old man. "But whatever you may see, whatever you may hear, and whatever you may feel in the middle of the night, don't shout out, don't scream." Ooh, okay, said Jack.
There was a little bed there. It was small, it was uncomfortable, it was lumpy, it wasn't big enough, and there was a rather grubby, scratchy,
holy
kind of blanket thing that wasn't nearly big enough. Oh, it was uncomfortable.
and cold.
But eventually, because he'd been travelling a long way and he was really tired, he fell asleep. In the middle of the night, there was a noise of something coming into the room. And it's coming from the other direction now. There's something coming down from the ceiling. Things were creeping, things were crawling. Do you know what they were? They were creepy crawlies. And they crawled over his legs.
Over his arms.
In his hair.
In his ears.
And they prodded and poked in his ears.
Don't.
He didn't say a thing. He never said a word, not a peep. And they're prodding and poking up his nose and up his nose. In the morning, the sun was shining, and there was no problem. And the old man said,
"Well done, Jack. You did exactly what I told you to do, so I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you some wool."
now, because Jack had listened to the stories that the gypsies had told him in the kitchen when he was at home, Jack knew exactly what to do. He took the ball of wool and said, "Thank you very much," to the old man. Went outside, and there waiting for him, mysteriously, there was a horse that wasn't there before. And he got on the back of the horse, and he took that ball of wool, and what did he do with it? He threw it